A show of contrasts. We were just talking about Ioniq 5. Now we're going to talk about Kenworth W900s. This is the traditional Kenworth squared off, narrow cab, big hood, flat stand up radiator American truck. They have the Ultra Loft Sleeper, which they brought out. It was one of the only big upgrades of it since, 1961. And it got an update in 1982, and there have been other updates along the way, but it's still basically the same vehicle. It's going out of production in 2026.
Well, yeah, but what are they gonna produce any Kenworths?
Oh yeah, they have a W990, which is a little bit more futuristic looking one. But trucking is very traditional, especially owner operators. They like lots of chrome. They like big stacks. They like a squared off big hood. This model's been around for a long time. And obviously it will be, these things run for many millions of miles, but it will be a little bit more aerodynamic. I think a lot of people like this truck too because there's a lot of steel in it, and it's less like some of the big trucks like Volvos are almost like
and
cars.
That was
they look like
Smokey
a big car.
and the Bandit truck too, right?
That is the one that was the model that was used in it, which is a very common model. They're around, a lot of them around.
Sure.
But so a little bit of a passing of a model from the folks at Kenworth. That is, I think, the first time we've ever talked about Kenworths on this show.
I think you're right.